안녕하세요. Oops, sorry. I thought this was a Korean channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you 7 words that you can use in at least 2 sentences. And the bonus part is I'll share with you in ASL and KSL or Korean Sign Language. Let's start. Like. Like you're putting your heart and getting it. Like. Don't like. It's like throwing it. I've shared this with you in the past videos. For Korean Sign Language, it's chua. Chua. You're touching your nose with the tip of your palm, closed hand. Chua. Don't like is shiro. Shiro or shirohada. Then we have good, like good morning. So good. The opposite of good is bad. So you're just putting your palm face down. So good is face up, bad is face down. Then in Korean, in KSL, chua, this is good also. So like and good is the same sign in Korean. And bad is this. Like you're flicking the tip of your nose. That. So chua, napun, napuda. Then next is person. In ASL, person is like this. So for example, teacher, teach, and then you put this one, it will become a person, teacher. That's in ASL. In Korean Sign Language, this is saram. So person, saram. And then there are 2 genders for a person. So a man in ASL is this. So the top part of the face of our face is for a man. So man and then woman. So this is a man and this is a woman. In Korean Sign Language, this is namja or man in Korean. So namja, and for the woman, yoja. So it's just the thumbs for the man, little finger for the women. Namja, yoja. Now for the exciting part. Let's use them in a sentence. I like a good person. I think everyone does, right? And then for the Korean, so 좋은 사람, 좋아요. The opposite is in Korean is 나, 나쁜 사람 싫어해요. 나쁘다 or bad, 나쁜 사람 싫어해요. In ASL is bad or I don't like a bad person. So I like a good person. I don't like a bad person. 좋은 사람 좋아요. 나쁜 사람 싫어해요. What if it's a man or a woman? So in ASL, I like that woman, but I don't like that man. In KSL, 키 여자 좋아요. 키 남자 싫어해요. How about you? try to use the words that I shared with you in sentences. And maybe you can share some words so that we can learn together. See you in the next video.